What's up, guys? I am finally on break and I'm hoping to stop making some more videos, and my first video for you guys is an unboxing of this SFX modular power supply. Okay, to get started, I got this from Newegg. Newegg had their Master Pass coupon, 10% off pretty much any order and get up to $50 off. And it's like this power supply, I've been looking since August. The computer you see right here is a home theater PC, type of small computer, low power PC about, uses less power than a lot of laptops. And I have a normal power supply in it, which it supports, but then my DVD drive here kind of sits out. It's not fully put in, and it's not really made to put that in there and everything else. So that's what this power supply comes in. Plus it's gold certified, another one's bronze. This one's more efficient, smaller, quieter, not that I hear that one anyway, and so forth. I think I got this like $80-something after the 10%. That's what I said. I bought it because it never went on sale once. It's $94 out of stock on Amazon right now, and I had it in my wish list. Looked at it all the time, never changed price at all, maybe a couple cents. So it's not something that I would expect to go on sale. This is the new version 2.0 of this power supply. I read in reviews that version 1.0 the fan was actually loud and not really noticeable. And then I read in reviews later on, the new ones, that version 2.0 seemed to solve the fan issue. And so now it's supposedly as quiet as it says it is, which it should be because it's only going to use like 30 watts of power on idle. So it comes with your motherboard power 20-24 pin power connector. It has your CPU 4 plus 4 pin, so either a 4 or 8 pin depending on your motherboard. It has one PCI Express 6 pin plus 2, so 8 pin PCI Express power. It has another PCI Express 6 pin, so you can have a pretty high-end graphics card. This could support my 770 in there. Not that I would necessarily recommend that. I would probably get the 550 watt or 500 watt, whatever version of this one for that type of graphics card, but it's very possible it would run on this, but it's probably not the best for the power supply. It definitely have a little bit more amps on the 12 volt rail for that card. You got your 3 times SATA power. That's all I'll need for this computer. If I need any more, I can get adapters. I have SSD, DVD drive, and an extra terabyte hard drive in there, and that'll use those up nicely. 2 times 4 pin peripheral power. I don't think I might use one of those for the fans, not sure. I think I have 2 headers on the motherboard. And a floppy connector, which I'm not, I guess those are used more for like random accessories than an actual floppy drive nowadays. You got your fancy graphs here. You got power efficiency between 87 to 90%, back down to 87%. So pretty much you got between 87 to 90% efficiency with this. It's really good. And that will be nice because I hope you even drop a couple more watts in the power usage. I'll put that in a later review of this power supply. I'll see if I can kind of show the difference of wattage of what this uses now versus what it uses with this power supply in. Now let's get to the actual box. Open it up here. Got your manuals. Kind of get some cool information about this. And you got the design. You give some actual like technical information. I'm not too keen on all this sort of stuff and ripple effect and all this stuff, but if you like, I guess, want to be able to fix your own power supply if something happens, it has diagrams in here and stuff, so that's pretty cool. And I think you can get these online. I've read someone said it's like the most detailed power supply guide they've ever like seen, so that's a very good plus. Standard power cable, that's all I need. Glad it comes with one. And a very, very small power supply. I actually have already opened this box, and the silica packet was for some reason ripped open, and then the box is flooded with silica beads. So those were all over the place. Hopefully they didn't get inside the power supply, which I don't think so, since it's all wrapped up in this nice bubble wrap. Comes with some mounted screws right here. Unwrap this real quick and kind of show that off. So, I mean, it's not a light power supply for the size it is. It's a high quality power supply. The material was actually higher quality when I was in the picture. You can see right here, got 19 amps on the 3.3 volts, 14 amps on the 5 volt, 37 amps on the 12 volt, 0.3 amps on the negative 12 volt, and 2.5 amps on the 5 volts USB or whatever rail. And it's a single 12 volt rail as well, so it should be plenty stable. Hopefully the fan right here will be plenty quiet, I hope. And I don't expect it to have much load. You can see nice high quality components in there and such like that. Good weight to it. Your weight of the power supply is always a good way to know if it's a good quality usually. It's funny story. I work in tech support at my school, and somebody brought in an off-brand, like it looked like a Dell laptop charger. Like you'll look, go pick it up, and there's like nothing there. It's just a plastic shell. I'm not sure how, it's like magic. I'm not sure how power is getting out of it, the power of this laptop. But you can see like on the plastic where it's warped on top because it gets so hot. And I don't know what, they have like one transistor in there or something, I don't know, a capacitor in there that supplies 60 watts of power to this laptop, so I'm not sure how that thing still works. Unless they just got it, of course. Okay, you got your cables, you got in case you need to put this in a bigger computer, you got a nice back plate that would be nice possibly in the future. I don't think I'll need, actually I might need it in this computer, I'm not actually sure. We'll find that out later. Alright, glad I supply it. It's, well, considering this is a Silverstone power supply and that's a Silverstone case, I sure hope it works. Specifically why they kinda made you buy this power supply. You can get the bronze, which is a lot cheaper than this one, but I'm going for top power efficiency and top reliability in this computer, so it's worth the extra, I don't know, $40 to $50 to get this one over the bronze. I love that it's fully modular. It should make plugging the cables in way easier. You got 20 pin, 24 pin power here. That's actually pretty short, but I think it'd be plenty long in that case. You got your 8 pin, which I will not need, so I can just not have that in there unless it's I think CPU possibly. That might be CPU power. Let's see. This I might use, I don't know, this has a 4 pin plus your floppy all in one connector. Got the 3 SATA, I will definitely be using these to power my 2 hard drives and recall it. And this is definitely your PCI Express, they label it blue. Yep, PCI Express 8 pin is the blue right here on the side, so it's pretty obvious what that one is, so you don't accidentally plug it in with the CPU. I guess they probably have some different regulation built into the power supply for that. But that's about it for this power supply. This little guy right here is much smaller than the little one. And it's my hand. My hand's pretty small too. But yeah, if you have any questions about this power supply, I'll try and answer what I can. Might not always be able to answer the question in the video. Just look through the comments and see if you see anything there. But yeah. If you have any thoughts, remember to put this in the comments down below, and I'll see you in the next video, hopefully very soon.